When it comes to airdrop, decentralized exchange airdrops are one of the most lucrative airdrops that anybody can participate on. When we look back at the history of airdrops like Uniswap, 1inch, DYDX, these are decentralized exchanges that paid between $4,000 to $15,000 per participant. One way to choose a decentralized exchange airdrop that you participate on is to look at the layer 1 network. For example, we know that Somnia is a big network. Somnia is going to be one of the biggest gaming network we have in existence. So one thing you need to do is that look for the decentralized exchanges that are building on Somnia and participate on them, because once this goes live and those decentralized exchanges decide to run their own airdrop, it is going to be massive. And so far there are two big decentralized exchanges that are building on Somnia. Number one is Somnia.exchange, and then number two is Somnia Exchange. In this video, we're going to be focusing on Somnia.exchange, where I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the exchange, starting from trading, providing liquidity in the liquidity pools, tracking your progress on the dashboard, and playing the Somnia game on their Somnia game platform. And based on how lucrative decentralized exchange airdrop used to be, I project that if you participate on this airdrop and complete everything you're supposed to do, you are looking at making at least $1,000 to $5,000 from this particular exchange. So in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know, especially how to play their Somnia game so that you can participate on the airdrop and earn reward. Before we dive into that, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, and drop your comments and let me know what you think about Somnia and the entire ecosystem. So getting started, you need to come to Somnia.exchange, right? This is the exchange website where you're going to be doing a lot of swap and providing liquidity. Now, this is not the first video I am doing on this particular decentralized exchange, as we have treated it before. So I just want to bring it to your attention right now because their TGE is quite close. So once you're here, the first thing you should do is to always connect your wallet at the top right corner, and you should make a lot of swaps. So if you have STT, swap your STT into any other token, all right, especially into NEAR token. You can swap into so many other different tokens that you'll find here. Once that is done, you can come to pools to provide liquidity. Providing liquidity is one of the most important tasks you can complete on a decentralized exchange, because decentralized exchanges works with liquidity. To provide liquidity on the Somnia.exchange platform, just come to add liquidity. So from here, you can add liquidity in two pairs of token, STT against any other token. Not just STT, you can provide two different tokens of your choice. Whatever different tokens you want to use as liquidity, you can provide them here. All right, so once that is done, in this particular Somnia.exchange, each time you make a swap, you get points, and your points will be calculated here. All right, so it is this point that will be used to calculate airdrop reward for those that have been running this for a while. And like I've said, this is not the first video I am making on this, but they have released a new update, and that is why I want to make this video so that we can catch up and follow up. Now, if you check the Somnia.exchange website, you can notice this play game that is here. This game that I've been building it for a while, and right now it is live. So I'm going to show you how to play the game so that you can actually start interacting with some of their platforms in hopes for their airdrop. So when you click on the games link, it will bring you to this page here, and you need to connect your wallet. So connect your MetaMask wallet or whichever wallet you are using for your airdrop. Make sure that the wallet you are connecting here is the same wallet you use for your Somnia airdrop. Okay. Now, this is a gamified exchange. They are building something new actually, because you play games and at the same time you make transactions on the network. So the first thing you must do is to click on get your first chicken. Okay, so when you click on that, you are going to mint your first chicken. So I'm going to click on mint your first chicken, and it's going to cost 0.015 STT. So make sure that you have Somnia test token to cover for the gas fee. I'm going to click on mint now and sign this with my wallet. Okay, so you can see your first chicken has arrived. Welcome to your farm. Your journey begins now. Chicken details: rarity is common, fertility rate is 1, egg cooldown 24 hours. So the first next we're going to do is click on go to farm. Now that we're here on the farm, Now it is time for us to start playing the game. Okay, then let me show you what you need to do. Get feed tokens, but in order for you to get feed tokens, you need to make swaps to get feed tokens. So I'm just going to click on this get feed tokens, and once you're here, you need to make your swap between SCT to NEAR token. When you swap SCT into NEAR, you will get what they call feed points. Okay, it is this feed point that you can be using to. This feed point is like the points that you use to make upgrade inside the game. So let me just start now by swapping some of my SCT into NEAR. My total balance of SCT is 52. Let me start by making 25 swaps, 25 SCT into NEAR. So when I click on swap tokens, I just swapped tokens 25. I just swapped 25 SCT tokens into NEAR, and that gave me 2.26 FP. Okay, 2.26 FP. Now this is, the more you swap, the more FP points you get. After swapping SCT into NEAR, I can click here and swap the NEAR back into SCT. Let me swap like 60. I'm swapping 60 NEAR into SCT. I'm going to click on approve NEAR. And that is done. And you can see now I have 4.12 feed point. This feed point will be reflected here, and then my feed token is still at 0. In order for you to end feed token, this is what you need to do. You need to provide liquidity inside this game. So when you come to pools, you need to add liquidity between NEAR and SCT. This is very important because once you provide liquidity, the liquidity pool you provide will be earning energy for you. This energy is what you're going to be using to play this game. Remember that this game is part of the decentralized exchange, and your activity on this game will greatly determine your airdrop. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on add liquidity here. And then I'm going to be adding NEAR against SCT. So I'm going to click on max for NEAR because I want to add everything here. So I'm going to be adding 62 NEAR against 15 SCT. I have some SCT to provide as liquidity. So based on your balance, you know how much you will use to provide liquidity. I'm going to click on add liquidity now. Okay, so after providing liquidity, you can see that available liquidity pool tokens is 11.4 LP. Now, after providing liquidity, that is not all. You need to click on stake because you need to stake your liquidity pool tokens so that it can be earning energy for you. So I'm going to click on stake, and then I'll put it on 100% because I want to stake everything. Approve and stake. And that is it. So I have approved and staked my liquidity pool tokens. Now you can see that my energy production, I receive 0.06 energy every hour, and then pending rewards. As my rewards keep accruing, I can see it here, and at any time I can simply click on claim. So the more I've earned, I can click on claim, and it will be transferred into my energy balance. Okay, and you can see that my energy balance has increased. This energy balance is what I'm going to be using to play the game. Now let us refer to the game again. If I come to the game section, you can see my chicken here. This chicken is what, after 24 hours, I can come here to harvest the egg that the chicken has laid. It is from this chicken that you can use to grow your farm. It's just a normal game, all right? So I'm just starting it now. Maybe probably as you progress, I'm going to be making more videos to show you how to play the game. But you need to come back to the game every 24 hours. After 24 hours, come back to the game. And in order for you to proceed with playing the game, you must accumulate feed points and you must accumulate energy. So get feed points by making swap and get energy by providing liquidity. Now, there's one thing you should not do, please. You see this place that is called Portal. When you come to Portal, you can actually sell your chicken. It's more like convert your chicken back into NIA token. But please do not do this, because if you do this, you will not have any chicken to work with, and you need chicken to play this game. So once you have your chicken here, do not convert your chicken back into NIA. So as much as possible, avoid this place you see Portal. Every other aspect of the game, like DAO, which is decentralized autonomous organization, which is the process in decentralized networks where the community uses to make decisions about a project, is not yet live. You can see it is coming soon. Leaderboard is not live yet. It is still coming soon. And even referral, there is no referral for this yet, so it is still coming soon as well. So what you should focus on right now is to come to exchange and make swap. Always swap between SCT to NIA. You swap SCT into NIA, and then you swap your NIA back to SCT. As you are making those swaps, you are accumulating feed points. In 24 hours time, you can use these feed points to harvest your chicken and grow your farm. So when you come to pools, here, pools is where you go to provide liquidity so that you can earn energy. This energy is what you are going to be using to hatch your egg after 24 hours after claiming your egg from your chicken. Okay, so remember to avoid Portal. Please do not go to Portal, because you will just end up selling your chicken and you will have nothing to work with. So while you play the games here, you can go to frequently asked questions to read up about Somnia Exchange game, so that you will know what is expected of you and how to proceed. Don't forget to always come to somnia.exchange to make your swap from SCT to any tokens. Go to post to provide liquidity. Come to dashboard to see all of the tokens that you have on your wallet and your total tokens and everything about your wallet. Leaderboard is actually, snapshot has already been taken, because right now we have been on this for a while, and then every reward will be used to determine your airdrop. So that is all right now, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. Drop your comments, drop your questions. Let me know if there's anything you want me to treat, so that we can proceed together on this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to always refer back to Somnia Network. Somnia Season 5 is live, so complete quest, because this quest so far here will help you earn more reward in Season 5. Don't forget to hit the daily login streak to claim your daily Somnia and accumulate points. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.